How to create polls on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on your Reddit. So let's get started. Open up the Reddit app, then tap on the create option in the bottom. Now, you can see a two circles like icon with lines. Just tap on it. So this will insert a poll. So first you can put in a title, you can put in body text, and then you can set the timing of the poll. Like you can see 3 days, you can set it to 1 day, 2 day, 4 days according to your choice. And so put in a question, and then put in options in poll. So you can add as many options that you want. And then you need to select a community you want to post it on. And then just tap on post in the top right. So this is how you create a poll on Reddit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.